Welcome to part 2 of selling your home for top dollar. In the first video, we talked about the first 5 tips. Tip number 1, disassociate from your house. Tip number 2, depersonalize your home. Tip number 3, declutter your home. Tip number 4, organize bedroom closets and storage cabinets. And tip number 5 was consider renting a storage unit or a pod. Now I'm going to give you 5 more tips to get more money when selling your home. Tip number 6, remove or replace your favorite items if you plan on taking it with you, such as window treatments, appliances, or fixtures. We don't want potential buyers to fall in love with an item that isn't going to be part of the contract. Tip number 7, make minor repairs. In some sellers markets, you can sell a home lived in condition without much complaint. Change burnt out light bulbs, consider painting walls to a neutral color, fix any leaky faucets, recaulk the tub and sinks. But in a normal market or a buyer's market, repairs can make or break a deal. And when many repairs can be done affordably and well in advance to make sure that they get done. Tip number 8, make the house sparkle and ready to be seen by potential buyers. You may consider hiring a professional cleaning crew and have them come in and clean the windows inside and out. Pressure wash the outside of the house. It's important to keep the home show ready at all times during the showing stage. If you have pets, ensure that litter boxes and poop patrol are done often to control odors and other oopses when walking the yard. Number 9, curb appeal is the first impression that the potential buyer is going to have on your home. It is important that you make it a great one by making your house desirable and easy to see. Put your house number in a visible and easy to see area. Refresh the area with new pots of flowers, a wreath. You can even go large by painting the front door a bold color that feels welcoming. Hire a landscaper to clean up the yard, mow, mulch, weed the flower gardens. Consider hiring a contractor to fix any cracks on your front steps and walkway. Tip number 10, the final step is staging your home. Walk room to room and imagine how these rooms look to a buyer. Does it look cluttered? Are the curtains even? Are the blinds in good shape, not broken and missing? Does the room showcase what it should be used for? If you need help with any of these things, let me know, as I have great relationships with industry professionals. Congratulations, you now have your home ready for potential buyers. What's next? Marketing, and that is an entire process in itself. I'm Westey LaPlante with Homes by Westey and eXp Realty, helping families one home at a time. Thank you for watching this video and make it a great day.